us for iConiCraft today. We're going to be making a little Among Us guys. So you can pick up a kit for this at the library. You can reserve it online or call us to place an order. So all we're going to need, you're going to find in your kit, pieces of colored origami paper, scissors, whichever accessories you want to cut out from the template, and a glue stick. So first thing we're going to do is take the origami paper, place it color side down, and then fold it over long ways. Now when we're doing this, make sure you make a really crisp crease in the paper, just like that. Okay, we're going to open it up. We're going to fold it over again on both sides, just like that. And this time you're going to keep it folded. You're going to fold it in half up, like this. And once again, just make sure these creases are nice and sharp. And then this bottom piece, you're going to fold over one more time to that middle crease that you just made. Fold it. Okay. Then we're going to make little triangles for the feet. So just do 2 triangles here at the bottom, one on each side. And you're just pulling it up to that lowermost crease. Okay. Then, this is a little complicated. You're going to take your finger right here to where that peak of that triangle you just made is. And you're gonna fold it over to make a longer sided triangle on this side. Like I said, this is a little tricky. Okay, just like that. You can do that for each side. Kind of like a fortune cookie there. Okay, and then you're just gonna take the 2 pieces right here, and you're going to bend them over so that you have a nice flat side. Like I said, just kind of like opening up a fortune cookie. Do 1 crease. Now you're going to take each side of these 2 triangles. You're going to fold them down, kind of how it was before, so that it's nice and flat. You're going to take each peak of these 2 triangles, bring them up on each side, bring it up again. Okay, now we're going to go to the top for a second. You're just going to create 2 little corners right here. You don't bring this side all the way over, you leave a little bit of space right here. Okay, and so now we're going to make the legs. You take where we just folded it up on the bottom and bring it over just a tiny little bit for a fold on each side. Okay, and now to make their little backpack, let's take your scissors and pick like maybe ½ an inch down from where you made those triangles on the top. Do a cut, and then you're going to take the scissors and actually slide it in between the 2 layers here, and about, once again, ½ an inch down on the little legs. Make another cut. You're going to fold it over, fold it over kind of like that where there's a little crease, and then fold it over again so that the colored side, the white side is covered up by the colored side from the back. And then when you flip it over, you've got your blank Among Us guy, and you can do the eye and any of the accessories that you picked. So you're just going to put some glue on the eye. You're going to want the eye to overlap the side a little bit. And then I'm going to do the Viking hat since it's fantasy iConiCon theme. And there we go. You got your little Among Us guy. He's ready to have hijinks with his buddies over here. Thank you for joining me today, guys. And remember, don't be sus. Check out the SuffolkPublicLibrary.com website to keep up to track with iConiCon events throughout the week. And don't forget to vote for both our fandom and cosplay contests.